Install the bumper on a non-lifted car. If you are building a non-lifted car without the optional max light bar, reinstall the factory bumper now. If you're installing a max light bar, skip this video. First, install the bumper brackets onto the chassis. The bumper bracket sides with holes closest to the edge install onto the chassis. The angle bracket goes on top of the chassis with a step facing down. The flat bracket goes below. Use the provided 1/4 by 3 3/4 inch hex bolts, washers, and nylock nuts to fasten, but not fully tighten, the bumper brackets to the chassis to allow a little wiggle room for the bumper installation. Next, insert the factory bumper with the block spacers between the two brackets and align the holes for fastening. Use the provided 5/16 by 3.5 inch hex bolts, washers, and nylock nuts to fasten the bumper to the brackets. Fully tighten the hardware on the chassis as well. DoubleTake, because looks matter.